Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change Spotify country or location. So in order to do this, first of all open the Spotify application, then click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Now you will see these options from which you'll have to click on settings and privacy. Now here you'll have to simply click on the about option and here you'll have to simply choose support. After you click on support, it is going to show you this page. Now here you'll have to scroll down and choose the option that says location. If you don't find it, you can simply search for location, hit enter and it will show you some results. Now here you'll have to click on the option that says change your country or region settings. Now when you click here, it is going to show you this page where it says check your country or region. So click on this button and it will provide you with edit profile option. Here you're going to see your username, email, password, gender and date of birth, and at last you will see your country or region. Now as you can see, I'm not able to change my country or region, but if you'll have moved to a new place, you'll be able to do that. Also, if I click on this read more about changing your country or region, it will take me to this page where I can see if I'll have to change my country or region, I will also need to update my payment method, and once that's there, I'll have to go to my account page and under account, click update next to your payment method. Enter a new payment method that was issued in your new country or region and the changes will take effect from my next billing day. So you'll have to basically just change the payment method and that could also instantly help you change your country. So that's the most simple way to do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.